We Indians love food. We love to experiment with new dishes which belong to different nationalities. We can enjoy a very spicy Mexican food, a very spicy tom yum soup, and at the same time we do enjoy the bland kind of white sauce pasta. And coming to Chinese, Chinese cuisines are so very popular among Indians, and Chinese restaurants are in every nook and corner of our country. So today's my recipe is a Indo-Chinese cuisine and it is called Schezwan Fried Rice. Now this is a diabetic, it is a channel which caters to diabetics. So today I am going to prepare Schezwan Fried Rice using brown rice. So let's go into the kitchen and check out the recipe. So these are the ingredients that we need for Schezwan rice. Now as we are making this for diabetics, we are replacing white rice with brown rice. So this is 1 bowl of cooked brown rice, half bowl of chopped cabbage, half bowl of chopped carrot, 1 bowl of chopped French beans, then half bowl of spring onions, 2 spoons of tomato sauce, then 2 big spoons of Schezwan sauce, 2 spoons of red chili sauce, 1 spoon of soy sauce, and this is the ginger, garlic and green chili paste. If you want your rice to be very spicy, you can increase the number of green chilies. 1 spoon of oil and salt as per our taste. So let's go into the kitchen to prepare the Schezwan rice. So I have put my oil in my wok and we'll allow it to heat. Okay, it's hot now. And now I'm going to add the ginger, garlic and green chili paste. So I'm going to cook this for a minute. So after a minute we are going to add our carrot, all our vegetables, cabbage, then beans, okay, except for spring onion, everything we are going to add. And here I am adding a bit of salt because I want to cook it fast. So I will stir it and I am going to cover this and I'll half cook it. So it's almost a minute now. Our vegetables are done. Now what we are going to do is, this is the time when we are adding spring onions. We are not adding full, half we'll keep it for garnishing. So we'll just stir it. And this is the time when we'll add all the sauces. This is tomato sauce. Okay. This is a red chili sauce. If you want more spicy, you can add more of red chili sauce. These are soy sauce. Then the most important, Schezwan sauce. Okay, so this I'm going to add everything now. Now what I'll do is I'll just mix everything very nicely. Okay, and this I'm going to cook for half a minute. Okay, so that they blend together nicely. Like this, okay, you can see this like this. I'll keep it for a minute and that's when I'll add my rice. So it's nicely done now, and this is the time when I'm going to add my rice, okay, brown rice, and we'll mix it very nicely. Okay, you can allow it to cook. So this is done. Okay, and the last step is we are going to garnish this with a spring onion. So our Schezwan fried rice is ready. So here it comes, the spicy Schezwan rice, which I have made using brown rice. But again, if you want, you can cook this in a conventional style using white rice. So this is diabetic friendly, and definitely if anybody is planning a weight loss, for them also it's good. Okay, but one thing you have to keep in mind is that you have to consume in small portions, because white or brown, rice is rice. So please do try this recipe and give me your feedback, and do not forget to subscribe to Nisha's Kitchen. Thank you so much.